Factpump presents The Universe for Kids. The universe is defined as the totality of everything that exists, such as the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, and the galaxies. Then how do you think the universe came into existence? Here is your answer. According to the scientists, billions of years ago, there was a big explosion or a bang, and a huge fireball was created. The incident is known as the Big Bang. Big Bang created everything in the universe like stars, galaxies, planets, and so on in one huge explosion. Milky Way galaxy is the home of our planet Earth and the solar system. It contains approximately 200 billion stars, most of which are not visible from the Earth. The Sun and the 8 planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune with 180 satellites and other heavenly bodies together form the solar system. It's also called solar family. In our solar system, Sun is the only source of heat and light, and planets don't have their own light. The biggest planet of our solar system is Jupiter. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Neptune is the 8th and farthermost planet from the Sun. Mars is called the red planet because it consists of clay rich in iron, carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen and so on, which gives the Mars its red color. It has low gravity and the temperature is below freezing point. If you want to know more about Mars, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so you will get the notification when the next week we upload the Mars video. Okay, here come Venus, called the morning and the evening stars, as it appears bright to us from the Earth. Saturn is called the ringest planet, and Uranus appears blue-green in color due to cold methane gas. Many planets in the solar system have small heavenly bodies called satellites that revolve around them. Heavenly bodies means together the sun, the moon, the stars in the sky called heavenly bodies, and satellite means smaller companions to various planets of the solar system. It can be natural or man-made, like Moon is the natural satellite. All planets have two kinds of movements, rotation and revolution. Spinning of the planets on its imaginary axis is known as rotation, and the movement of the planet around the Sun on its fixed orbit is called the revolution. At the end of this chapter, now you know. The universe is the totality of everything that exists. Scientists believe that the Big Bang explained the origin of the universe. The Milky Way galaxy includes the Earth, the Sun, and the rest of the solar system. The Sun is the center of the solar system. It has 8 planets revolving around it. If you find out our video is informative, then please give a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you.